And good afternoon. In Japanese, say the konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. O genki desu ka? How are you? When I start. Today we do the Ikebana flower arrangement. This is water reflecting. Water reflecting is advanced, a little bit complicated, and so today I show you water reflecting, and so this is a very important is a subject, and a secondary and object. So and subject is diameter plus and high. Diameter plus and high is subject, and then secondary is half of subject, and also object is same thing, half of subject. So the tree stem is making a big triangle. So that way you make, and this is we have a secondary, but usually small form doesn't have a secondary. But this is more material and a little bit more complicated because the advanced. They call Moribana arrangement. So you see this like a subject, secondary, and object. And material is this is low cut. Low cut is from my garden, and the low cut branch is very easy to grow. And I use the branch used for flower arrangement more than for eating. And also in Japan, is low cut leaves. They make tea from this leaf, and they said it's good for diabetes, and they make tea from these leaves. So well, I never make him, but maybe try. Tastes good because low cut is delicious, and that's good. So now I'm trying to show the demonstration. So now I take out this is the subject. I take out the subject branch, and I take this is the secondary branch. Secondary branch is about half of subject. See like this, and then next this one is object, and object too. Half of subject, one time and two time, one time and two time. Huh? And also this material is a Brazilian plant, and that one is somebody share with me, and a small branch like this. But I just plant to my garden. Then now I have maybe little bit amount, and I share to everybody, all my friends. So
it's good, right?
yeah, it's a very good material. And this is a tall filler flower. That's and then this is a filler too. Okay, and now this is another low cut branch, and this one is using for filler. This is leather fern. Leather fern is usually florists they sell for the filler, and also you can easy to plant. They're very easy to plant, so you can try to plant this one. Okay. So now I try to do water reflecting arrangement. So water reflecting arrangement is try to show the beautiful water front. So now this one is sometimes it's first a little bit hard, so I do break a little bit branch like this, and make it softer. It's easy. So and then they say the 70 to 80 degrees slanting. One more. Okay, like this, and then slanting. They say the 70 to 80 degrees slanting. This surface is 90 degree, so almost touch your surface. Okay, so this is the subject. It's really slanting. Okay, so now the angle is very important, and also you have to see the branch, the facing where they go. So usually the branch always facing to water side. So this is the water, so the branch going to water side. And now this is a secondary. So secondary is about half of subject. So I can go here, half of subject. Then now I need important thing is object part is half of subject and facing to about 50 degree forward. So like this is because the subject is 70 to 80 degrees, really slanting. So object a little bit stand up. Okay, so now only 3 branches is not enough. So I try to put on helper. So the one helper, or you call a filler, is a one filler over here, and then one more flower is like a tomorrow's flower. Maybe we can make this one. And I still have the good one, so maybe 4 flowers is not good, maybe not good. So now this is a framework. Subject, secondary, and object. That's framework. Okay, so now is everything open. So now I try to deal with cover and helping bottom. So this one is filler, and then maybe one more filler I put here. So that way looks pretty. And then now I use leather fern. Now I use leather fern is hiding feet because now I can see all feet. So try to cover feet so that way looks more natural way. And but the framework is only subject, secondary, and object. And if you don't want to cover, it's okay. But if you don't cover, it looks like naked, not clothes on. And some flower school is they don't mind, they all open. But our school try to cover and hiding, so that way flower looks more natural way. And so now this is water reflecting, and very important showing water like this. And see, this is water showing water, and so this is water reflecting style. And maybe you can try this arrangement and maybe find some branch, and you don't have to use low cut. If you find another branch is okay too, but I try to many kind of material, but this is the best, so I decide using this style. Thank you very much. ありがとうございました。Thank you.